Hey BodyFix PT fans. Today we are going to talk a little bit more about ankle rehab. This is our second video in a series of ankle rehab. What we're going to do today is work on the arch of your foot. It's a real simple drill, and what we're going to do is I'm going to point the camera at my foot. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some tension into the arch of our foot. The arch is this part right here. Okay, my hand is in where my arch is. What we're going to do is bring these toes from this area back this direction towards the ankle without lifting off the ground. So we're just going to try and kind of grab into the ground. Okay. See my toes getting shorter. If I come over here, see the arch coming up just a little bit. I'm going to hold that for a few seconds and relax. Hold and relax. And then you should feel some tension in this area of the foot. Hold and relax. Hold and relax. Feel free to incorporate this into your balance activities that are in another video. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please comment below or visit us at bodyfixpt.com. Thank you.